Hey, this is Miss V. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my rosettes and how I sew them onto the bottom of my dress. I am creating strips of fabric. My strips of fabric are 6 inches wide by 30 inches long. Now, this is the size that I want my rosettes. So now you want to just go ahead and serge all the raw edges just to prevent fraying. Now, this is optional, but I recommend that you do. So now you're going to fold wrong sides together like I'm doing here, and you kind of want to offset the fabric. Okay, now you want to use your longest stitch because this is going to be a basting stitch because we're going to gather it in the next clip. So you kind of twist in the fabric to make it go straight. Now you're gonna be fighting with it a little bit, but that's all right. You got this. And you're gonna do the same thing when you get to the other side of the strip, okay? That's going to be offset as well. So go ahead and grab one of the threads and you're going to pull one of the threads towards you, and you're going to push the fabric away from you. Basically, you're going to gather it down. Now with your strip gathered, now you're going to start creating your rosette. And you see that little doohickey thing that is going to be sticking out? That's the doohickey. Remember that. Okay? You don't have to go Google and doohickey. That's the doohickey, okay? A doohickey could be anything you want it to be. So now just wrap the rosette. Just wrap the fabric around the doohickey. Okay? So don't say you can't do this. You have to do it. You have to grab some fabric, make a strip of fabric, and try it. Your rosette is going to come out perfect. And go ahead and add a few pins just to keep it in place. You see I added one to the little doohickey so it wouldn't unravel. And there's your rosette. So now I'm just stitching down my side seam because I decided to add some mesh in there to give it some more fullness. So I sped this up because this took a long time. So I'm going to show you again how I make my rosette. And here's how I stitch it together. So there's my rosette, and now I'm just going to add it to the hem. This is a long clip, so you can speed this up or you can just watch it throughout. I'm just warning you that this is a long clip. And you just want to grab a piece of the hem, and you want to grab a piece of the rosette and just stitch. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making this dress. I have some videos on my YouTube channel. I'm going to link them down below if anybody wants to make this dress. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.